Nerf basketball from Parker Brothers.
There's a ball that's lots of fun. It's Nerf basketball. With a team or one-on-one, it's Nerf basketball. Hooking, dribbling, all the moves. It's size right for kids to use. It's Nerf basketball. You can't grip it as you go for a layup or free throw. Sure thing, try to make.
It'll film like the ball going in, so that last shot looks good.
Sure thing, try to make it with Nerf basketball.
I guess update people a little bit. We should have finally the water to the gutter people are going to hopefully be here. It's Memorial Day weekend, so they lied to us and said they're going to come Friday, but they didn't. So hopefully once they actually come and fix all the water problems, which me and Zach do have some film. We were in the building putting up new tables, and just so much water is just coming in. But we learned so much about our building and why the water has been coming in. So it was kind of like, it was bad, but at the same time, it was really good that we were actually there to witness it. It's a mess. It is a mess. We are going to open this today and build it. By we, I mean really me, because Zach does everything, so I got to do this one. I get to do the work. But there's a lot of play at the end of it, unlike most of our other jobs. I need a knife. Let me get a knife. I couldn't find a knife, so I'm just using the scraper. This is not cutting good. I really did need a knife.
The freaking chisel.
Dude, I chisel you into the ground.
The first one didn't work, this one worked.
I don't know what to do.
Stand back, everybody. Men at work.
It's so small. It's so small. They're not going in, Zach. Oh, they're going in, Zach. Dude, name 3 NBA teams, Zach. That is not the Bulls or the Lakers.
The Celtics.
Okay.
I'm a baseball guy. I don't know basketball.
Come on. Zach, this is bad.
The Warriors.
Okay, yeah, the Warriors.
Let's go.
Okay, you still need one more.
Give me a hint.
Give you a hint. From Jurassic Park.
The Raptors.
Yeah.
No way. That's a basketball
Yes,
team.
from Toronto.
Ching, baby.
Ooh, Zach, get this. You know, this is ASMR right here. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Block, let's go. Rejected. Wow. No what? Oh my. He just made it from half court to tie the game. Look at it. Pretty nice.
It's so small.
It's so small.
Crazy carpet. Hop on and get set for the most exciting ride of your life. Safe, lightweight, easy to handle, wild. Pilot your crazy carpet over any surface.
So what do you think of the space now that we have all of the tile laid?
It looks a lot better. Freaking epic.
Shout out Heavy Ultra too, you know. Zach's little podcast.
Little.
Yeah, we got security cameras now. Look at that. Look how good. Look see, that's a really good job. Then we have all this mess that we have to clean up because we had to move everything to do this. But look at that. What you see there? Yeah, we got a new arcade machine. We'll figure out how to play it. Okay. Wait. Before you shoot it, Zach.
Can't see it.
We got 100. So look. So Zach's right there. $100 of Zach can make it. Man, I can't wait for this place to be done. It's gonna look so much better. NBA Jam now. Welcome to the NBA Jam. We got Buck Hunt, which is my game. Everyone's gonna lose their money at this one. And then now we got Outrun. Got a little pedal. So look at my Crocs. For legal purposes, he's 18. Today, we had a bunch of the truck people. They're putting a couple new gutters up on the roof. Might be able to see those later. and then they finally plugged the hole that's been leaking onto the floor. So that's what was on our roof, or that's what was coming through. Yep, that's where all that leaking was coming from and everything. And me and Zach are doing our sound panels for the studio. We're slowly coming together. And we also got a new arcade cabinet coming in today, which me and Chase are going to build. It's a Pac-Man, has Galaga on it, so you know. Look at him go. Everyone's favorite person in LCY. Stapling it away. How's it going, guys?
Done.
It's done. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Alex, go ahead and take all the recognition, everything. You did everything. Yeah. So the pad machine is in here. So now we got it going right next to Outrun. Then we'll have Mortal Kombat eventually, but for right now, welcome to our fourth one.
Yo.
Yeah, man, I did all this, man. I had to drill all day.
Shut up.
Man, dude. Zach's just been behind the camera. Like, I literally did all the holes. I cut all the wood over there. Put all this paint. I organized it. Like,
Face who lies.
the handsome.
You're a body of lies.
Liar.
Yeah, got all the ink up.
Well, Zach, perfect time. I need you to come help me do the
Oh, now you need my help.
Yeah, I did everything else. I need you to do something.
Yeah.
Come on.
Man of many talents can't work on his own.
Do you want to see all these arcades out here? I did all of them today.
Shut
All
up,
of
dude. Just acknowledge my work, damn it.
Well, it would look better if I did it. Okay?
The long-awaited Mortal Kombat.
Our most expensive arcade machine. But this one, unfortunately, out of all of them, which you can show at the bottom, this one does not come with a bottom, a riser at all. Makes no sense. So I have to go on Amazon today and buy a riser for it so that it can be, not a 4-year-old size.
Lake came in yesterday and he was like, Tim would have the high score on Buck Hunt.
Well, yeah, no one's going to ever beat me at Buck Hunt. Like, it's just impossible. It's not impossible, but it's improbable. You beat me at Buck Hunt, I will easily pay you.
How
But
much?
you have to, what?
How much you paying?
We'll play Treks. We'll do like $50 Treks or something like that. So if you want a Trek, you get $50. But there's 3 Treks, so
Alright, what do you need me for?
I need you to get this top piece so I can lay all these and screw them down, and that's all I need you for.
Oh my god! Like and subscribe, video's over.